Good morning, y'all. I know a lot of y'all are like, where are you? We are in the RV, as you see, because for 3 days now, our AC, our air conditioning, has not been working. It's been like, something blew in the system. So right now the AC guys are here. So this is like the this is the fourth morning without having air conditioning. So we all slept in the RV last night. So that was pretty like brought back so many memories, like, oh my soul. We were like in the RV. We're right in our driveway though. We're just right here. But yeah, so the AC guys are here and they're trying to fix it. And y'all, it's been like 100 degrees every single day, and it's like 95 degrees inside of our house, and it's been super hot, and yeah, y'all, so hot. So I'm so thankful that we had the RV to stay in last night, even though we stayed in the house 2 nights with no air conditioning. As you can imagine, it's getting hotter and hotter. So yeah, good thing the AC guys are here. And yeah, so we slept in here last night. Pretty crazy. Except for Matthew and Mark. They still slept inside the house with the 2 big fans. Like right now we have like every ceiling fan on, like in my room and the boys' room and like the family room, everywhere the fans are on. And we have a couple like little ground fans that you just set up and plug in. So we got those, and then Matthew and Mark got those ones, so they slept inside the house. But I slept right here. I folded down the bed, and John slept on here, and then Luke just wanted to sleep on the floor, and of course Mom and Dad in the back. But yeah, early this morning, then we woke up, me and Mark woke up. We woke up like at pretty early this morning, and we went on an early morning horse ride, and that was super fun. We were riding without the sun been out yet, and that's the best time to ride, y'all. Early morning or later evening. Earlier in the morning is better because, you know, the sun is not out, and even when it does come out, it's not like blazing hot yet. It's like 70 degrees. So y'all want to see the puppies? They are a week old this morning. So let's go see the puppies. They actually, Asia moved her puppies back in the dirt hole, and I just thought, okay, that's fine. It hasn't been raining at all. So if it rains, I'll just move them back under the door. But yeah, y'all, let's go see our puppies. Good morning, y'all. It is chicken coop day. We are finally making coops for these 2 roosters and all the hens, y'all, so they can finally be caged in and stop going to the bathroom all over our porch and lay eggs at one spot, y'all. That's what we really want, is for them to lay eggs in like one spot. We don't know where to find them. Huh. That means no more eggs for you. That means no more eggs for you, Bobby. So yeah, so these guys, they're out right now, as you see. The fencing is all out, but yeah, so super exciting, y'all. John's out here. Dad's getting some more parts somewhere. I think he's on the lawn tractor. He's on the zero turn.
Yeah, look, the lawn tractor.
Oh yeah, you're right. He's on the zero turn, not the lawn tractor. But yeah, so there's that coop and this coop. We're getting more panels, so it's gonna be super awesome, y'all.
Okay, come on. I got the panel.
Are you ready for a coop? Are you ready for a coop? Are you going to help me catch him? Can you please open the gate? Please open the gate. Thank you.
I made it.
You ready, chicken? Here you go.
Hey.
Is it hard?
Yeah. Get him. Open the gate.
Okay, I will. All right, go ahead. Good job. Let's go catch more.
Come on. So hard.
Do you think you can film for me?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, try to keep it nice and still, okay? Got my chicken. Alright, let's go. Let's walk over by the gate.
Mommy.
Got one?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, let's go.
Little chicken.
Alright, we got 4 in here. We got a lot more to go. Alright, got it. Okay, we got this other bear rock. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There should be one more.
Yes.
Got it?
Here, take the
Okay.
tractor.
Whoa.
Alrighty, so we got one coop completely finished, and as you saw, we were already putting chickens in there.
Mama chicken.
We need one more beard rock, and then we need to get Sassy, and then Cheeky, and then all the leghorns. We might have to get a net for those ones, because if y'all have leghorns, you'll know they tend to be more flighty, but they're really good eggs, so that's why we have them. But ooh, the sun's starting to come out. Okay, also me and John were like walking all over the property, and we found the rooster. So I'm gonna try to catch him. Cheeky, the rooster. I'm gonna try to catch him here. Here. Hey, stop fucking. I'll try to catch him. Okay. Oh man.
But now.
He went on the neighbor's property. Alrighty, I got my favorite bear rock here. I couldn't find her at first, but she was right there under the bush, so I got her. She's so calm. I can hold her with one hand in the air, and she does not flap her wings or anything. She is so sweet.
That one.
Yeah, I got one. Hey y'all, right now we are actually on our way to get something out. We need, hold on, that's messed up. Hey y'all, right now we are on our way to Tractor Supply because we need another chicken water. Since we have 2 coops, we only have 1 that we've had out in the open. And we also need to get a few things at Walmart. So I thought, hey, why don't I just bring y'all along with us? The boys are still finishing up the coop. So it's just me, John, and Mom right now. And we're actually in Matthew's car right now. So the AC works a lot better in here. So yeah. Oh yes, and we almost caught all the chickens except for 2 of them. We caught all of them. We had to get the net like I showed y'all because it was pretty hard catching a lot of them. So with our hands, yeah, some of them are really flighty. So we got both roosters. We got all of them, y'all, except for a couple of them.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, the black one was pretty nice. Sassy, she's pretty nice. Okay, well, Mom's getting gas, so I'll see y'all at Tractor Supply. Alrighty, y'all, so we are now at Walmart. We just got all of our stuff that we needed at Tractor Supply, and we're just about to go into Walmart here, so let's go.
You could order in the sour ones.
I just came outside and I was checking on Asia and her pups, and everything seems to be doing really good with her puppies. They have a full belly right now. They just got done eating. They're so cute. Hi. Are you full now? Huh, baby? You full? Sweet baby, you go sleep, okay? I saw last time they were in the dirt, and now they're up here. She just goes back and forth. They're kind of like walking around a little bit. So if she comes up here, they'll start calling up here, and if she goes down there, they'll like follow her down here. Sometimes she'll have a couple with her, and then I'll bring the rest of them with her. So it's all that. So they're all doing good. You could tell some of them are going to be like straight haired, and some be like super curly like Asia is. So it's be really It's gonna be super neat. Look how big they're getting. They're like starting to crawl. Look how big. You're getting so big, puppy. Alright, y'all. So I came out here. I brought y'all because I really want to tell y'all something that I'm thinking about, and something else. Okay, so the first thing is that YouTube has been really crazy. They haven't been notifying all of my subscribers my last couple videos, saying that I posted a video. So I just want to tell y'all in this video that go ahead and check out my last couple videos. A video of when these guys were born, and then another video of like baling our hay, and I Bible journaled and stuff, and super neat. And I showed like how our pigs stored up our backyard back there. So yeah, go check out those 2 videos that I posted. And yeah, YouTube's been super crazy with that. And I'm so sorry, y'all. I do not control any of that. It's all YouTube. That's the super crazy thing, is that I have no control over that. So that's super crazy. And another thing, y'all, so y'all can comment down below if you want me to do this, is that this next week, not this week, but next week starting on Monday, I am thinking about vlogging all week long and posting a video Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I'm thinking about like filming like my whole week and just posting it and just sharing my whole week with y'all, my whole routine and everything. You are so loud. So comment down below if y'all would like to see that, like everything that I do from waking up to evening time, making dinner and chores and more puppies and all that. So yeah, comment down below if y'all would like to see that. I'm not 100% sure on it, but I'm pretty sure, and I'm really thinking about it. So yeah, super exciting, y'all. And I'm kind of excited too, like, oh, I get to carry the camera wherever I go. We might be going to the store. We'll probably go in the store next week, and y'all are just be coming with me and my family everywhere we go. So it's gonna be super neat, and I'm really excited about it. So comment down below. I'll make sure y'all are on board with it too, though. So comment down below if y'all want to see that. So, right, Asia? You're out. Looky here, y'all. Look at all the coops are done. Even the chickens are excited about it. Look, we caught all the chickens, and we got our 2 coops. Everything is done. We got our leghorns and bird rocks, and our Americana rooster, and Sassy, our hen. I'm not sure what kind of breed of chicken she is, but yeah. So we got all these guys in here with their water, roosting bars. One fell down already in there. And yeah, they're all contained. And y'all, something that's crazy, I'm sorry if I'm talking a little fast, it's because my battery's gonna die. And I know I have to go inside the house to change it here soon, so I'm trying to hurry it up here. So look, so this was all open, and Mark had to put wire on it because these leghorns, even though they lay really, really good eggs, they are really flighty and they can climb, y'all. They are super good climbers. So they were starting to climb up here and flying out. They haven't been doing it anymore since we put extra wire right there. And then, so yeah, there's that. And y'all, it's so nice having the chickens being caged up. I cannot explain it. It's so nice having them caged up. And now we got our other rooster in here with our Americanas, our Easter eggers, and yeah, with our Americanas and Easter eggers. So that's that. And then we got some extra hay here for we're gonna put where they're laying eggs. And we got their food, their water. As y'all saw, we went to Tractor Supply. That's the water we got them. And yeah, so super cool. We are so excited to have our chickens cooped up. It's been so nice, y'all. So awesome. So nice having them cooped up. And look how much open it is now. Look at it's all right here where the chickens were. It's just been so nice. Just having it all open now. And not having any more chickens on our porch, or worrying about, oh goodness, we're gonna find our eggs. Oh great, the dogs are getting them. There's a nest of them by the fire pit, you know. So it's super nice having them all caged up. And even though the chickens are sometimes like, hey, can I go out there? I think they're actually happy because they're kind of contained. And we're gonna be like moving them after they eat the grass. We're gonna move them in the grass. So hopefully that works out really good. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe if you haven't. And don't forget to hit the bell to get all of my notifications. Even though if you hit it, I don't know if YouTube will send notifications. Crazy YouTube, y'all. Well, y'all, I pray y'all have a really blessed day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!